Can you hear me now? So your exam will be October 4th. Okay. From 12 a.m. to 11:59, you can log on and take it. It'll be on Blackboard under the assignments. Depending on how many questions, I didn't make it up. I'm going to make it up tomorrow or Friday. You'll have 75 to 90 minutes to take it. It'll be multiple choice. In theory, you're not supposed to use your calculator, but I'm not watching you. What I wanted to point out and what I had up here was, if you take a look, the only thing that is due is the exam this week. Okay, so on the 4th, you'll take the exam, and then you have a week to decompress from math. And then we'll hit the ground running again on the 11th. I did it that way so that you're not overwhelmed and you have time to catch up on your other courses. Okay, so the week of the 4th will be your exam. Okay. And it'll be on everything we've covered up until this point. Arithmetic, fractions, decimals, ratios, and proportions. So again, you have to log on. The key here is once you log on, make sure your laptop is charged or whatever you're using is charged. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection's good. Do not close out the window. If you close out the window or your laptop dies, it's going to essentially submit the exam, and everything that's not completed will be marked wrong. So whenever you're going to sit down to take the exam, make sure you have time to complete the exam. You can't start it and stop. But some people were saying they work night shifts and whatever, so I figure if I make it available the whole entire day. So hey, you want to stay up on, you're up at 12 a.m., which I'm sure you guys are, on Sunday, and you want to take the exam, you could take it and get it over with. And then you have the whole entire week to relax from math at least and catch up on everything else. Yep, one attempt. It's just like if you were sitting in lecture taking the exam. Now, if something does happen where the window gets closed or your laptop dies or your Wi-Fi disconnects, just email me, but don't panic if I don't get back to you because I'm going to be out of town on the 4th, but I could open it back up if that happens. But I could see if you're telling me the truth or not because I could see the progress that was being made and I could see why it was disconnected on my end. But it'll be just like the worksheets. I mean, identical, sort of. I mean, I have to put them into Blackboard, but it'll be the same exact type of problems, except it'll be multiple choice answers. So, do you guys have any questions? you have questions on any of the work we've done or about the exam or the course in general that I could answer right now, like I said, I don't like to keep you prisoner. But if you do have questions, I'll go over whatever it is you feel you need to go over. The worksheets are your best friends. If you could do everything on them, you are going to be fine for the exam. Don't panic. Like I said, though, make sure you're giving yourself enough time to sit there and take the exam. Okay. You understand? Surprisingly. All right, good. No, that's good. That means I'm earning my paycheck, or you're doing your work, or both. We'll pat both of ourselves on the back. Are we sure we don't have anything, guys? Like I said, I don't want to sit here, just for the heck of sitting here. But if you guys are good, I mean, I can go over any problems you need to go over. What's up, buddy?
Will you find me what you agree to us?
Yeah, I will as soon as class is over, buddy.
Okay.
All right, I'll be out in a little bit. All right, well, that's good, Zach. I'm glad to hear that. Like I said at the beginning, I'm going to get you through it. As long as you put in the effort with me, I'm going to get you through it. So anything you want to go over, anything that's confusing. All right, then. I'm going to take off. If you do need me, email me or post on the discussion board. And I'm here. And then log on Sunday to take the exam. And I'll see you guys in, a little over a week. So 2 weeks from now. All right, if you need me between then, you know where to find me.